Good afternoon, welcome back to Oven Mitts Without Any Tits. My name is Coriander and I'm your host for the afternoon. So I'm not actually going to be cooking this dish right now, I'm just going to prepare it so I can go in the fridge and set for later. So we're having turkey tikka burgers tonight with chips. So I'm going to prepare the burgers so they can go in the fridge and just kind of like set into the burger shape in the fridge. So I've started off, I've got 500 grams of turkey mince and I've got 1 egg yolk in there. And we're going to add to that 2 grated carrots. Pop that all in there. We're going to add a tablespoon of ground coriander. Now you can use a coriander leaf, use about 2 tablespoons. But I'm just going to add ground. I don't like coriander leaf, I don't mind coriander, ground coriander. So a tablespoon is roughly about 2 heaped teaspoons. About a tablespoon of tikka masala mix or tikka powder, which I'm running out. I need to get some more of. And then onto there I'm going to put about a flat teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. So once this is all done, I'm going to blitz this off, which I'll do in a moment. And then we'll get them ready for the fridge. But I'm also going to make the raita that goes on top of the burger. So it's about 100 grams, well, depending on how many people you're going to cook for. There's 3 of us eating tonight. Now I know Taylor won't have any of this, but I will. So I'm just going to do 100 grams of yogurt, Greek yogurt, which is about that much. Yeah, once you sort of get cooking for a while, you'll kind of get to grips with how much everything is. So I know I'm not actually weighing everything out, but you kind of get a feel. And then you want a tablespoon of mint. So I'm going to put two fairly heaped teaspoons of that in. We'll give that a mix. If you want to add cucumber, you can. I think the actual raita does have cucumber in it, but I don't like it. And I did say to Neil, does he want my cucumber in it, because I would do a separate one for him, and he said no, don't bother, just put mint. So I am. So this is my raita. It's not actually raita because it's got no cucumber, but it's mine. So there we go, that can go in the fridge for later as well. We'll cover that over. But I'll get this blitzed. I'll just move that off the lid bit. Get the lid on, and I'll be back in a minute. So there we go, it's quite a thick, pasty looking thing now. This is I'm not going to like this bit. I want to get my hands in now and make some burger shapes. Why did I not bring some gloves over? Schoolboy error. Anyway, you live and learn. So once you've got all this together, you sort of make it into about 4 portions. In fact, should we have bigger burgers? There's only 3 of us eating tonight, so let's have big burgers. So let's make it into 3. They were like quarter pounders. The only downside to doing this is you never sort of know until afterwards how big your rest of your burger, unless you actually weigh out all of your burgers, you never actually know how big they're going to be. So like, this is a decent size one. But are the rest of them going to be just as big or smaller? I don't know. So you're looking for just a burger patty shape like that. Yeah, they are quite big, aren't they? Oh well. 3 big burgers it is then. So yeah, so once these have chilled in the fridge, it will just kind of help to set the shape of them. It just means that when they go into the pan to fry later on, It'll keep the shape a little bit better. So there we go. 3 decent sized burgers. So I'll get them in the fridge and then I'll come back to you later on at tea time when it's time to get them fried and trying to get the burgers assembled, shall we say. So stay tuned. These have been in the fridge for a few hours now, so I'm going to pop them on the grill. So I'm going to use the hot plate grill that we've got, because why not? Oh, get that sizzle. So they want to be done for about 5 or 6 minutes on either side, just until they're browned off and cooked through. So I've also cut up the bread rolls, which they may hopefully they'll shrink a little bit, otherwise we've got massive burgers. So what I'm going to do, once these are done, I'm going to put these on the grill, just kind of toast on one side, and then we can get plating up. Now I've already par-cooked the chips, so they're just going to pop them back on for another couple of minutes when these are just about done, just warm them back through, and then we're done. Tea really is as easy as that. And do you know what, since I've been doing the filming, it's made it a heck of a lot easier. I'm actually more organised doing the meals now, and Neil's getting them more or less on time, excluding tonight of course. It is Friday night. So we'll come back to you once these are all fully cooked through, so you can see what they look like and we'll see how they taste. So Taylor's come in and she reminded me that she did tell me she was having McDonald's for a tea. I forgot because I'm rubbish. I am rubbish. More for us. So what I've done is I've just put these on the grill, just kind of toast them off a little bit. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this minty yoghurt at the bottom, just to kind of give it a little bit of. So this is not. Sometimes turkey mince can be a little bit dry, so we can make it so it's not overly dry. You can see there we've got a nice crisscross pattern going on. And I have to say, they do smell absolutely amazing. So I'm just going to put this one over there, take it off the grill. So it's not cooking anymore, and put a little bit more of this mint sauce on top. Now I'm going to serve it with the lid off the bun, because otherwise it'll just kind of like fall off anyway. So we'll serve it like that. Let's get the chips out. Now I've done them in the Ninja this time. The reason being is because my anti-fry has broken. I have messaged Tfal because it is still under 2-year warranty. The good thing about the Tfal, it's got the paddling, so it kind of like moves everything around so it gets an even crisp. This one doesn't, so you do need to keep stirring it yourself every so often, so you can't really leave it to do its own thing. I mean, they're nice and crispy, but they're taking about 45 minutes to do, these chips, which, you know, it is what it is. They are nice and crispy, I'll give it that. Well, there's a little bit there that I want. So it's good crunching. There we have chicken tikka burger, turkey tikka burger with chips for tea. So I hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to chuck into this and see what it's like. It smells really good. In fact, should just have a little bit of a taste of it now. Nice. That is nice, that. Definitely recommend trying this one. Beautiful. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you've liked the video, hit the like, hit subscribe and all that usual jazz. And we'll see you next time and see what else we're cooking. Catch you later.